Do you like grilled chicken pesto? Wait, you've never heard of grilled chicken pesto? Well, now you have. There you go. You want to see how to make this? You're going to have to stick around because, damn, that's good. All right, let's get started. Let's start by getting our chicken prepped. I'm going to cut it in half like this to make it thinner because if it's too thick, it just doesn't cook right and doesn't get enough marinade on the outside. So cutting this like this is perfect. We're going to add that to a half a cup of a decent quality Italian salad dressing. We're going to go for a big old heaping scoop of pesto right here. We're going to mix this up real good, and then we're going to add our chicken to this, throw this in the bag, throw it in the fridge for 3 to 6 hours, and then head to the grill. Now I've got the grill set up here. It's been preheating and it is fairly hot. We're just under 500 degrees right now. Now we're going to find a nice spot to put this on the grill. We're going to pour a little bit extra marinade on top so it sits there and cooks down. We're going to go about 2 minutes on this and then we're going to come back. We're going to move this but not flip it. We're just looking for a hot spot on the grill. We're going to turn it 45 degrees or so and get those nice beautiful grill marks, those cross grill marks. It's important for flavor, people. Come on. All right, 2 more minutes and this is ready to flip. So let's find another hot spot on the grill so we can get some more grill marks. Let's try and get, there you go, good hot spot. Look at those grill marks, it's beautiful. Throw a little more marinade on there. Look out for the fire because this stuff is flammable. But that fire gives it so much flavor, it's beautiful. All right, about 3 more minutes, we are cooked. Look at how beautiful that is, beautiful grill marks. This is gonna taste so good, all that marinade caramelized down into it and everything. Oh man, it's so good. So the chicken's off the grill. You saw how that went. It's beautiful, it's amazing, it's incredible. Cooks super fast because we cut it in half. I mean, you're talking like 8 minutes, something like that, cook time after you've warmed up the barbecue. It does have to be fairly warm because you want good grill marks on it, but that has to rest for a minute so all the juices do what they do. So we're gonna work on our pasta. And for that, I've got myself a bunch of fettuccine. 1 second. Okay, kind of need one of these. Got a bunch of fettuccine. You can use linguine, rotini, any of the inis really. Doesn't matter. Whatever tickles your fancy. If you want to use bucatini, what is wrong with you? You can do it. This is your whatever. Okay, so but we're just going to start with this. We're going to add a little bit more. The thing is, you have to have the proper fettuccine to pesto ratio, or pasta, whatever pasta you're using, has to be the proper amount. So don't over pasta it to begin with until you find out how much pesto you have. This is the important part. Any of my pesto heads out there know exactly what I'm talking about. There's only so much pesto in this thing, and if you run out and don't have enough, what was the point of this whole thing? There isn't one. All right, I'm just going to toss this here, get this going. Make this amazing. We start with a little bit and work our way up because you don't want to over pesto, you don't want to over pasta. This is kind of just an eyeball thing. We need more. Just a little bit. Okay. Oh yeah, now that's looking pretty pesto-y right there to me. Okay, that is looking pretty amazing. I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can. I have a glass bowl, but it doesn't help you from that far away. Hopefully this camera's getting it, or at least this guy. Which one is? How does that look, huh? Looks pretty pesto-y. I'd say pretty pesto-y. Yeah, that is some pesto right there. We're going to set this aside. We're going to plate this in a second. I still have pesto left over, and I have... who am I kidding? I can add more. This is always where you screw it up. You get greedy. I'm going to save a little bit of pesto because it's going to get a scoop on top of the chicken. That's the last minute thing, but this is one of these amazing meals. If you love pesto, you need to be making this right now. Well, not right now. You're watching the video. Don't stop watching the video until the end. Then go make this, okay? Thank you. It's the algorithm thing. If you click off before it's done, they're like, oh, people don't like you. You like me, right? I'm not needy. All right. There you go. That is perfect pasta. That is a lot of pasta. I hope you want some pasta because we got plenty here. So help yourself. All right. Chicken has rested long enough. We are going to get this piece here set up. I'm going to move the other one over here real fast. I'm just going to cut into this super quick so that you can see. You don't mind if I use the spoon for this because I'm going to take a scoop of our pesto and just kind of scoop a little on. Woo, look at that. That is amazing. This is incredible. Are you seeing this? I hope you're seeing this. This is gorgeous. This is amazing. And the taste, I can't even tell you the taste. It is so amazing. Seriously. If you've never had this, then you have no idea how incredible this is. If you have had this, I'm probably doing a little something here. It makes you go, I need to try that again. Because this piece right here, oh no, it's got the little burnt end piece. I love. This tastes so incredible. You got that perfect grilled flavor. The marinade is incredible. All the stuff, you mix this with some pasta. This is super, super delicious. This is your grilled chicken pesto. And see, super easy. Hopefully this video is short because you don't want to watch a long video. And if I stop talking now, it'll be even shorter. So thanks for watching. I hope you make this because it's super awesome. And I'll see you on the next one. So see you later. Bye.